In the rapidly expanding e-commerce market, price-tracking websites like CamelCamelCamel are invaluable. They empower consumers to make informed purchasing decisions by providing historical price data and alerts. Let's explore how to build such a platform. To create a successful price-tracking website, focus on core functionalities. Implement a robust price-tracking mechanism that collects data via web scraping or APIs. Store this data in a database for analysis, enabling users to make informed decisions based on historical trends. Notifications and alerts are crucial, allowing users to set personalized alerts for price changes. Begin by defining your niche and target audience. Identify popular products to track, such as electronics and home goods. Conduct competitor analysis to understand existing platform strengths and weaknesses. Set clear objectives with measurable success metrics to guide your website's development and growth. Choose a memorable domain name and reliable hosting provider. Select a website development platform that suits your needs, such as WordPress or custom development. Use programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build a functional and engaging website. Ensure your database can efficiently store and retrieve price data. Utilize data scraping techniques and APIs to gather accurate pricing information. Tools like Beautiful Soup and Scrapey can help extract data, while APIs from retailers provide reliable data access. Store this information in a structured format for easy retrieval and analysis. Design an intuitive layout with responsive design for mobile compatibility. Implement price tracking features using backend languages like Python. Allow users to register and manage profiles, enabling personalized alerts and saved product lists. Ensure a seamless user experience with clear navigation and visual appeal. Conduct thorough quality assurance testing to identify and fix bugs. Engage in beta testing to gather user feedback and make improvements. Develop a strategic launch plan, including marketing tactics like press releases and social media campaigns. Monitor performance post-launch and adjust based on user feedback. Optimize your website for search engines with effective SEO strategies. Utilize social media platforms to reach a wider audience and engage users with compelling content. Implement content marketing through blog posts and videos to provide value and attract visitors. Regularly update product pricing and availability to maintain credibility. Gather user feedback through surveys and analytics to identify areas for improvement. Stay informed about market changes and adapt your website to meet evolving consumer needs. Building a website like CamelCamelCamel requires careful planning and execution. By focusing on core functionalities, technical requirements, and effective marketing, you can create a valuable platform for consumers. Start your journey today and offer essential price tracking services to users worldwide.